we bring in Joan and John. So in this third version, we're going to have another female writer with her imprint on this movie. She's going to change a few things. She is a journalist. She's worked in New York. She's worked out of Sacramento. She's covered the hippie generation. She particularly wrote this lovely book called The White Album, where she looked at culture of her day. And she studied the Doors. She was fascinated by the Doors and their popularity and the way that Jim Morrison just blew up in American culture, right? She, in fact, called them the missionaries of apocalyptic sex, right? Look at this beautiful picture of this young man, right? Sadly, he's going to be one of the guys who dies young, right? He's going to join that Jimi Hendrix and, that whole team of people that we've lost too young in life. But now Joan is writing this new version, and she's going to make the new people rock and roll stars. So we're going to move out of acting, move out of musical theater. We're going to move into the rock world. So right away, she's patterning things on Jim Morrison. Look at this picture of Chris Christopherson. This is Chris Christopherson young. This is Jim Morrison. Look how close they are. You could almost mix them up, right? So Joan immediately is having this vision of who is this new Norman Maine. And because Norman is not such a cool name in the 70s, he's John Norman Maine, right? So we're going to make a little change.